It's finally here! The year 2021 was a box full of surprises and adventures. Looking back today and how many things happened last year. Hi, my name is Mel. Come along with me as I explore, travel, adventure, and create photography. This is MinuteTour, the home for my adventure stories. We started the month of January by going to the canyon to see more snow and do sledding. Utah is a perfect place for a winter wonderland. Sledding is one of the most fun activities for anyone of any age. And we did sled at Big Canyon Cottonwood in McLeod South area. If you need a spot to sled, definitely check this location. Last February, I started to love and enjoy going for a walk to see the beauty of a sunset and enjoy nature's farewell kiss for the night. March is getting warmer and it was good to go for a walk at the Jordan River Parkway Trail. This trail is approximately 40-mile urban park. This area is a nice trail for hiking, walking, jogging, biking, rollerblading, and other activities. It's pretty quiet and has beautiful scenery. April is a spring month. Every spring, the cherry blossoms at the Utah State Capitol building come into full bloom and see the magical beauty of spring. For the month of May, we visited the vulnerable Salt Flat on the western border of Utah. It is about 1.5 hours west of Salt Lake City, right by the Utah-Nevada border. The vulnerable Salt Flat is one of the most unique natural features in Utah. This is one of the most impressive salt flats in the world and largest in North America. June is a perfect month to go for a hike because it's not really hot yet. This month, we went to Fifth Water Hot Springs, a popular hot springs also known as Diamond Forks Hot Springs. It is an easy hike, 2.5 miles each way. It is a fabulous scenic hot spring in Utah. July is the hottest month of the year, so we went indoor adventures. Loveland Living Planet Aquarium is currently houses 4,500 animals representing 550 species. It currently consists of 5 main exhibits: Ocean Explorer, Journey to South America, Discover Utah, Antarctic Adventure, and Expedition Asia. The month of August had a lot of adventures. We had a week vacation to enjoy Bear Lake, explore the mountains, and visit the Minnetonka Cave. For September, we explored a location where the scenery, the mountains, and the lake was breathtaking beautiful, the East Canyon. We stopped here for a rest from our road trip around the canyon. We spent a couple hours to enjoy the reservoir. I did a lot of opportunity to watch the beautiful sunsets last October. Sunsets are among the most beautiful things we're lucky to see almost every day. I love watching the sunset. It is always gorgeous and relaxing. My favorite way to get outside is to be near water, especially when the sun is setting. Last November was full of fun. We visited Mystic Hot Springs, where the natural hot springs flow into the bathtubs and pools that are tucked into the orange rock. We also visited the great feats of engineering in the United States, the Hoover Dam. Walking across the dam gives a great perspective of the massive size of the place. December is the most magical time of year. I like celebrating holiday with my family. We saw the Christmas in color, visited the areas and lots of lights. And enjoy the first snow of the season. "2021 has brought so many challenges for all of us, but has also been full of lessons. This year had brought us more reflections and spend more time with our families, and I am thankful for that. May the new year bring you peace, love, joy, and happiness. Happy New Year! Thank you guys for watching. If you would like to watch more videos, just search MinuteTour. Remember, no space. And see you in the next adventure. Bye!